In this video, I will show you how to set up deal permissions in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account and you will then see your dashboard. On the top part, click on the Settings button and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Access Permissions and it will direct you to the Permissions tab. Here, you will see a list of all roles such as employees, supervisors, deputy supervisors, and other staff members. Each role has its own set of permissions related to deals. If you want to adjust or add permissions for a specific role, click on the plus button under the title of that staff. However, to fully access and customize this feature, you will need to upgrade your subscription plan. The good thing is there's a 15-day free trial period available if you wish to try it out. And that's how to set up deal permissions in Bitrix24.